Hello guys, today we are going to start this new chapter which is called Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. This is for class 8th science textbook and this is based on NCERT. So let's start this chapter. Let's find out what are all things we are going to study in this session. So we are going to study microorganisms. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganism and us, harmful microorganisms, food preservation, nitrogen fixation, and nitrogen cycling. So all these things will be covered in this session. Let's start. So can you see these pictures on your screen, and do you think you can see all the things, all the organisms here? There is a picture of a zoo, there is a picture of a village, there is a picture of a city. So do you think you can see all the organisms, like you can see an elephant, you can see a lion, you can see human being, you can see a dog, you can see a tree, you can see many organisms. So do you think that you can see all the organisms in these pictures? So answer is no. You cannot see all the organisms in these pictures. These are they are all the organisms are not visible. There are few organisms which we cannot see with our naked eye. So without the external help, without any aid, unaided eyes cannot see many organisms. These organisms are known as microorganisms, which can be seen under the microscope. So the organisms which cannot be seen with unaided eye and can be seen only through microscope are called as microorganisms or microbes. So let's do some activity. So there are two activities given in your textbook. First one is collect some moist soil from the field in a beaker and add water to it. So you need to go to a field and collect some soil and put it in the beaker. Put some water in it, and let the soil particles have settled down. Now take a drop of water from the beaker and observe it under the microscope. So what you will do, you will take a beaker, you put the soil in it and let the soil settle, and the water will be up here. So you take the drop of water and see it in the under the microscope. Second activity you will do is take few drops of water from a pond. So if you don't have a pond, you can use the rainwater also. Spread it on the glass slide and observe it on the under the microscope. So what you will see? You will see some microorganisms. You will see some tiny organisms under the microscope. So water and soil are full of tiny organisms, though not all of them fall in the category of microbes. These microorganisms or microbes are so small in size that they cannot be seen by unaided eye. So there are microorganisms, there are tiny microorganisms, but all are not visible by naked eye. Like there are few organisms which we can see by our eye, like you have seen the bread mold. You will see the bread mold. You can see here there is a picture. So when bread is spoiled and it is not fit for consuming, you see a green or a bluish green spots on it. What is that? That is called as fungi. That is a fungi. The fungus that grows on bread can be seen with a magnifying glass. So you don't need a microscope to see that. You can see it by a magnifying glass. Others which we cannot see with the help of without the help of microscope are called as microorganisms.